Friends, in this video, I will show you how to type plus minus in Microsoft Excel. So guys, if you want to write plus minus symbol in Excel, so click on this Insert tab and here click on Equation. And once you click on Equation, so click on this first part plus minus symbol. So just select it. You can change size and color and what you need here. You can make changes as your requirement. Another method, insert and equation. Another method, type this slash and type PM and press space bar. Type this slash and PM in small letter and press space bar on keyboard. Insert equation and type PM and space bar. That's it. Thanks for watching.